feed her. Drag hay from the sheaf into the feeder. Hooray! Amazing! Ready. To keep Rosie's legs from hurting, we need to shoe her. Use the hammers to hit the nails. Amazing! We did it! Ready. It's time to plow our garden. Put a collar, a saddle, and a plow on Rosie. Now let's make seed beds. Lead Rosie along the garden. She will plow. It's time to feed the piggies. Drag the right food into the basins. Keep up the good work.